Hi guys, I'm Alex. Welcome to Conmart Factory Go. Today we are at the headquarters of ZHTE Hydraulics right here at Xingtai, China. You might heard about ZHTE for its significant market share in the hydraulic aftermarket. But you know what? In 2019, the company decided to manufacture its own wheeled excavators. You may be wondering what makes them capable and how the executives thought about this. So later on, I'm going to take you guys for a very close look of the three major manufacturing plants, including hydraulics pumps and motors, wheeled excavators, as well as the slewing rings. What are you waiting for? Let's go and check this out. So first, let me introduce the ZHTE Hydraulics to you guys. Founded in 2005, ZHTE Hydraulics has been a major manufacturer of hydraulics pumps, motors, and components, as well as wheeled excavators. The factory right behind me has over 1,200 employees, including over 40 hydraulic experts. Hi guys, here with a ZHTE hydraulic pump and motors, especially components manufacturing plant. And right beside me is the general manager of Mr. Wang. She's going to share about all the basic information of the manufacturing plant right behind me.
我们的立式加工中心，立式加工中心用来加工这些客体类的这个精加工面，能完成我们半成品这个产品这个设备。
So for this part is the connecting part of the hydraulic pumps, and for using this machine tool, it's basically using for the drilling the holes on top of the connecting part of the hydraulic pump. Mr. Wang just told me that right behind us is a heating treatment center of ZHTE hydraulic pump. So this equipment right behind me is for the cleaning purpose with waters. This is the vacuum nitrogen furnaces for heat treatment. So every single piece of ZHTE hydraulic pumps will go into these furnaces to make it more stronger and tougher for the equipment, especially in the excavator series. This hydrogen's generated right after the heat treating process. And we can see there's a lighting fire at the operating equipment. This is for the safety concern of these facilities. So here we are at the final assembly line of ZHTE hydraulic motors. And all the motors you see here is all the chariot motors. And we also got a swing motor right behind over there. And right beside me is Mr. Wu. He's the general manager of ZHTE slewing ring manufacturing plant.
我们第一道工序这是夯孔工序，为了后期我们放回转的钢珠啊，留下预留孔。
So Mr. Wu just said about at workstation 1, the workers just drill the hole inside the slewing ring, and this is a half-finished product. Right after this process, one of the seal ball is sit inside this drill to finish the slewing ring. This is the second process for doing this internal trail. For ordinary manufacturers, they won't do this process, but for ZHTE, they would like to do this process again to double check accurate every internal trail. And this is the third processing station of ZHTE slewing ring manufacturing plant. This 400 million RMB plastic, which is going to cut the gill inside the slewing ring. This is the fourth workstation of ZHTE slewing ring manufacturing plant, and here we see which was just made this equipment or make this gill much more accurate and sophisticated. So here we are at the workstation 5 of ZHTE slewing ring manufacturing plant. As we can see, this equipment is doing a heat treatment to make these gills more stable and stronger. This is the sixth workstation of ZHTE slewing ring manufacturing plant. With this equipment, they're going to remove all the magnetism from the slewing ring. So when this ring is working the equipment, the dust won't be stick on it and working more smoothly and perfectly. Today, Conmart factory go finally arrived at ZHTE Wheel Excavators R&D Center. Right beside me is the Vice President of the Sales Department of ZHTE, Mr. Zhang.
这款产品呢是我们公司的拳头产品 ZT60W， 它采用了动力是养马的发动机，更皮实耐烙。
Mr. Zhang just told me about the wheel loader right behind me is manufactured in March 2019. It's an all hydraulic equipment with a series number, as you can see here, it's ZT60W. It stands for 6 tons wheel excavators. Just had a short walk around of this wheel excavator with Mr. Zhang, and he mentioned about the perfect balancing of these two wheels he just showed a while ago. It had been widely used in landscaping projects. Plus, with this slewing motor and travel motors, has strong mobilities in the city area. Plus, for this ZT60W series wheel excavators, it's equipped with high-end components like the Yanmar engines as well. As you can see, the bucket is quite stable and strong. It has a strong force as well. And according to Mr. Zhang, it's capable. For aside from the bucket, you can also equip this with the hammers and the other tools for construction works. So we found these all-terrain tires. It's all equipped with ZT60W's all-series wheeled excavators. For the wheeled excavators, it's been widely used for small to medium urban contracts. As it's equipped with wheels, it's making it the perfect choice when working on the improved surfaces such as finished concrete and asphalt. As for the cab, as you can see, the glass is all around, including the roof, and seeing it has excellent visibilities, which is quite crucial for the safety of the operators. As you can see, the seat is quite big, even for tall-sized bodies, guys can easily set in and operate this equipment.
我们中伟经过10几年的发展，在这个液压泵和液压马达减速机就是基本上成熟的时候，我们又陆续开发了2种产品，一个是75，一个是90，做成一款100%国产4制的爆品，就是把它做到这个品质最好，价格最低。